What is up, folks? Welcome to the Get Rich Slow YouTube channel. I'm your host, Balint. So I'm gonna take you through my NFT flipping strategy that I recently used on OpenSea. So I started trading on OpenSea because this is the biggest NFT marketplace that I know that is based on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's what I know, that's what I heard a lot of, and that's where the biggest liquidity is. So we're going to be observing the OpenSea marketplace. These are some of the topics. So OpenSea has a feature called collection offer concept that I recently utilizing to get some trading opportunities here. I'm gonna show you right now what I mean. So let's take one of the collections, for example, Art Blocks CryptoBlots collection, and here you can see that the floor price, which means if you want to buy one of the NFTs right now, that's the lowest price that you can pay, is 0.29 Ethereum, but the best offer is 0.15 now. And what that means, if someone wants to sell their NFT, someone who already holds an NFT want to sell it right now, that's the price he can get for it instantly. So as you can see, there is a big difference between the selling demand and buying demand, and that's what I utilize to create some opportunity to earn some profit. You can see that make collection offer pops up here, and you can set the best offer to be 0.15. So when someone wants to sell their NFT, you will be the first one with the biggest bid and biggest offer to take the NFT. The difference between the wrapped ETH and the normal ETH is that you need to wrap your Ethereum first before you can make offers and get into auction to buy some NFTs. It's fairly easy, just one transaction. In this video, I already assume that you can use MetaMask and upload and buy Ethereum to use the site, so I'm not gonna explaining that in this video. And what I do is just buy on the best offer and re-upload it to sell it, and I can make some decent gains between the two prices. Lower volume collections like this one offers a bigger spread between the two, but its liquidity is lower. So as you can see, if you go on the activity tab, that there is in average one transaction every day. So you might need to wait a couple of days before you can get your hands on one, or you can sell one. But on the other hand, if we look at a collection with a higher liquidity, for example this one, you can see that there are transactions, multiple transactions every day, and here the opportunity is smaller. So if we check, the current offering price is 0.15 and the offer is 112, but it's usually even tighter, the spread. So the opportunity is not that big here, but you can trade and gain smaller sums, but you can potentially do this more often. The other risk with the less liquid collections that I usually trade with is that you might won't be able to sell the NFT that quickly if you get one, and the price can also decrease because that's the trend nowadays. So if you cannot sell it, let's say for a couple of weeks, you might be not even able to sell it, or just sell it for a lower price that you even compared to what you bought it for. So that's one of the risks you have to consider when investing. I want to show you some of my recent trades and profits that I made. So if I go on my profile and go on my activity and just choose sales, you can see these are some of my longer investments, and I just keep these ones for the longer time horizon. But when I started trading, you can see one of my trades which I did this month. I bought the CryptoBlots NFT 0.15 Ethereum, and I flipped it 1-2 weeks later for 0.318. So there was some small transaction fee when you sell it, which is like 2.5%, which we need to deduct from this, but still it's around 0.15 gain in Ethereum. And if we multiply this with the current price on the market, let's see where the market stands today, 1920, we get a decent gain of almost 300 US dollars, which is not bad if you can do a couple of these trades. And also the sum that you need to invest and risk is not that big compared to like a highly priced NFT, let's say. But I also know that this price can be already uncomfortable for you. There are like smaller, cheaper collections that you can trade as well. I recommend you to do your own research in this area. What I also did, I was able to buy 2 more of these CryptoBlots NFTs in the past days for a decent price, and I'm trying to sell them now. I was not able to sell them just yet, but as you can see, the lowest prices are mine, this one and this one. So hopefully someone will take it soon. And other one is that I bought is this geometry NFT by Frank Stella, and I bought it for around, let's see, around 0.18, and I'm trying to sell it for 0.29, and also my lowest price is mine over here. I picked these collections just according to the spread between the selling and the buying price, and I also heard that these are quality collections, for example from Art Blocks, which is like art-based NFT, and in case I won't be able to sell it on a good price, I'm also okay to hold the NFTs for the long term, because I believe in the next 1 or 2 years there will be another ramp up on the NFT market, and I can sell it for a high price. I recommend Art Blocks. There is this site called Sansapon.xyz where you can see the different collections from different series. Art Blocks Curated is the most precious one and the oldest one. This is the serious one, the OG, so to say, the oldest collection, and you can see the CryptoBlots that I was mentioning is included in here. The other ones are more expensive, so to say. Let's go back to my transaction history, just dive into it a little bit more, and you will see that I bought this neural sentiment recently for 0.138, sorry, and I listed it for 198, and hopefully I will be able to sell it soon as well. The other one that I'm trying to flip is VeeFriends, which is made by an entrepreneur called Gary Vee. You might heard of him. And I bought this well for 1.618, so it's a more expensive collection. And right now I'm trying to flip it for 172, as you can see. If we have a quick look how the offers stand, mine is one of the lowest ones, so hopefully someone will buy this, and if not, will still have 0.1 Ethereum range to play it, and I can decrease the price, and hopefully someone will buy it. But as you can see, these are more expensive collections, and the Ethereum that you can make is 0.1, 0.2, almost as the same as the lowest price collections like the CryptoBlots that I mentioned before. So these ones involve a little bit more risk if you cannot sell them short term compared to the lower value and lower priced NFTs. Just also want to mention that if you go on OpenSea Pro here, it's OpenSea, it's a brand new, not brand new, but a newer site. And if you sell the NFTs over here, you won't be able to you won't be charged the 2.5% selling fee that I mentioned before. So I think that was it for now. Thank you guys for checking out. I hope it was informative for you, and stay tuned, subscribe if this video provided you with any value, and see you guys next time. Ciao.